This question says, given these 5 ordered pairs, we need to create a mapping diagram and then decide, is this a function or not? And so the easiest way to do this with mapping diagrams is I'm going to look at all the x values, I'll underline them, and it looks to me like I have a 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. So I'm just going to put this in order as 1, 2, and 3. All right, there's going to be a couple that repeat there. And then for the other ones, for my y's, I'll do a squiggle line. We have 1, 1, 1, 2, and 2. So just 1 and 2. And then I'm going to connect these. So we have 3, 1. So 3 is going to go up to 1. 2, 1. 2 also goes to 1. 1, 1. So far they're all going to 1. 3, 2. And 2, 2. Okay, just like this. And once it's in a mapping diagram, it's really easy to tell, is this a function or not? Because if I have multiple lines coming out from my x values, like here there's 2 lines coming out from the 3 and 2 lines coming out from the 2, that is not a function. So I'm going to say no. The reason why is if I were to graph these ordered pairs on an xy coordinate plane and draw vertical lines for the vertical line test, it would not pass the vertical line test, as I would have 2 that are on my x value of 3 and 2 that are on my x value of 2. So therefore, this is not a function.